So once you have your outline like this, you're going to have to figure out how you want to fill your beads. This is called directional beading. This one I did up and down, and it really fit. Sometimes your beads are not going to fit. You're going to have to figure out whether you're going to break some or decide to design it differently. In this one, I just decided to start with the hardest part, which is the shoulders, and it's going side to side this way, and this one's going up and down. I'm going to do a fill up and down on this one so you can see how it's done. So we're going to start from one corner. I prefer to start from this corner. There's no right or wrong way to do this. So we're going to add 4 beads at this time, and we're just going to go on up. So we're going to keep it tightly butted up against these other beads, and we're going to now have no template. We're just going to make our lines. So we're going to go down, we're going to go through the middle, and then we're going to go through the last 2. Now, if you are getting adventuresome and you want to go with 6, let me show you how I could do that. You're still going to do the same process. You're going to line them up, and you're going to push it down, deciding where the beads end. If they buckle by any reason, I will show you how to fix that in the next step. So here we got 6 again. We're going to go pop them in. You're going to go through the last 3. So it's sort of like if you have 2, you go through the last one. If you have 4, you go through the last 2. And if you do 6, you're going to go through the last 3. This way your beads are getting tacked down. Now the hardest part is deciding how many beads to go to the top. So for here, I would say this is a perfect one.